We'll guide you through how to split pages from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have a PDF that I want to go and split up. So make sure you go and open up the PDF in Adobe Acrobat, as we've already done here. So this is convenient to do as you may not want them all together. You want to go and just have one of the pages or two of them perhaps together. So we're going to guide you through how it's done and explain the different options you've got. So just make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. It's important to note we do need to go and have Adobe Acrobat Pro for this, so that you need to be subscribed. Now, what you need to do is you need to go to the top left and find the option for edit, and you want to go and click there. Now, what you need to do is you need to go down into modify page. You're going to see some different options, but you want to go and press organize pages like so. You're going to see the different pages here. You can see I've got 4. So for example, what we could do is go and split these 4 into 4 different PDFs. So it's a page per PDF or 2. So you've got 2 pages per PDF. So to go and do this, come over to the left and you want to go and press split just below page options here. Then what you can do is go and split by the number of pages, file size, or level bookmarks. We're going to do number of pages. So I'm just going to go and type in 1. And this means each of these is going to be its own PDF. We're going to end up with 4 different PDFs. You can go and press output options and change these here. So you can actually go and make a folder on my computer. So I'll select that there and press browse. I'm going to go into my desktop here and I'll just press new folder. I'm going to go and name this split just so we can easily go and find them. But you could just go and put them on your desktop and I'll then press OK. And what you can do is go and press OK and then go and press split. So it's now been split into 4 documents, as you can see. So you can go and press OK and that's it. So now what we can do is we can come onto our desktop. I'll close this. And here is the folder here. I'll go and open it up. And I've got the 4 different PDFs and I can go and open up each one. And it's its own PDF, 1 page per one. So let's go and say I only wanted one of them. I could then go and delete the others or just go and keep them all because it can be useful. But that's it. That is how it can be done. Then what you could do is go and attach to an email, send it somewhere, or do whatever you want to with it. Maybe even go and submit it as your work to a teacher. That's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish them every single day. So I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. And whether it's something to do with software, a game, we cover loads of different things. So that's it. I hope you guys have a great day and I look forward to help you again in the next one.